Hi everyone, I am Benedict Ferreras, proud to be one of the captain drivers of GSM Philippines. And right now, I'm here at BGC, one of the cleanest and greenest city here in the Philippines. Today, I want to share with you not just facts and figures about green transformation, but also my real-life journey as someone behind the wheel, actively contributing to a cleaner, smarter future for transportation. Maybe you are wondering, what is green transformation? So, green transformation refers to the transition from traditional environmentally harmful practices to sustainable, eco-friendly, and climate-resilient solutions. It affects many sectors, but in transportation, which is where I work, this transformation is incredibly impactful. Transportation accounts for nearly 1/4 of global greenhouse gas emissions. So when we shift from fuel-based vehicles to electric or hybrid ones, when we digitize mobility or reduce idle time, we're not just saving money. We're literally reducing pollution and saving lives. When I started driving taxis, I used to drive a gasoline-powered sedan. At first, I didn't think much about the environment. Like many others, my only focus was to make a living, make some money. But over time, I realized how much gas I was consuming and how much money and emissions were going out the window. Shifting to hybrid or electric taxi was a game changer. Here's how. First, fuel savings. On average, I now save up to 30 to 40% on fuel. That means more take-home income and less carbon dioxide in the air. Secondly, reduce maintenance. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, so spend less on repairs. Third, comfort and technology. With smart mobility features like GPS routing technology, I provide smoother rides, get better ratings, and even reduce the time stuck in traffic. But beyond those numbers, something else changed my mindset. I began seeing myself not just as a driver, but also as a contributor to the bigger mission of environmental stewardship. There are also challenges that I face. Of course, green transformation is not always easy. Some challenges that I face includes: Number 1 is charging infrastructure. Early on, it was hard to find charging stations. I always had to plan my routes wisely. Next is misconceptions. Some passengers were skeptical of electric vehicles. They thought they were slower and unsafe. But after a few rides, they were surprised by how smooth and silent the trip was. Third is upfront cost. Switching to a green vehicle was an investment. But with the help of Green GSM Philippines, it became manageable. So how can you see the bigger picture? What I do every day, driving smart, driving green, connects to a much larger mission. Green transformation is not just about technology. It is also about protecting health. Lower emission means cleaner air and fewer respiratory diseases. It also creates more green jobs. Like mine, as more drivers shift to green fleets, there's growing demand for technicians, charging networks, and mobility platforms. Next is meeting climate goals. Countries like the Philippines and others around the world are committed to cutting emissions under the Paris Agreement. Green mobility plays a big part in this. So when passengers ride in my taxi, they're not just going from point A to point B. They're also riding with the wave of innovation, sustainability, and responsibility. So what can we all do to support green transformation? The first option is supporting green transport. Whether you're a commuter, policymaker, or business owner, you must always choose or promote eco-friendly rides. Next is be open to change. like I did, it starts with one decision. Raise awareness. Talk to others, educate, encourage smart and sustainable choices. I never thought that I'd be part of something bigger just by doing my job. But every ride I take is a step toward a cleaner world. And you can be part of that change too. So here's the conclusion. Green transformation isn't a one-time project. It's a continuous journey that starts with awareness and grows through action. You don't need to be in a sustainability to be a sustainability champion. You just need to start one small decision at a time. So I will leave you with this question. What is one thing you can change today? In your workspace, your team, or your daily routine that brings us closer to a greener future? Because transformation doesn't begin with a system. It begins with a person. And that person can be you. To wrap it up, green transformation isn't just about switching vehicles. It's about shifting mindsets. As a green and smart mobility taxi driver, I'm proud to say that I'm part of that shift. And I believe that together, drivers, commuters, businesses, and governments, we can build a cleaner, greener, and smarter future on the road. Thank you, and let's keep driving forward.